Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to roast peanuts in an empty pan. It is easy and straightforward. So just add some peanuts to the pan and turn on the heat to medium or medium-high heat and start frying it by stirring it frequently so that they don't develop burn spots. My peanuts were blanched in hot salty water for 5 minutes. Then I drained them, spread them out to dry before roasting them. Whenever you are frying peanuts, it is just a long repetitive action of stirring the peanuts until they develop a darker shade. Then you can start checking to see if it is dried by peeling off the skin. If the skin comes off easily, then you know it is ready. So if this is the first time of seeing my video, or you have seen my video before on Facebook or on YouTube and you are not subscribed to my channel or following my page, please follow my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. So let me use this opportunity to send a very special shout out to all my followers on Facebook and subscribers on YouTube. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. So when you are frying peanuts on an empty pan, it is more difficult to take long breaks because it is very easy for the peanuts to develop burn spots. So you have to keep stirring the peanuts. Because it is very easy for peanuts roasted in an empty pan to develop burn spots, I generally use this method to roast my peanuts when I want to make peanut soup or dankwa. Once the color of the peanuts begins to change, that is when you start checking by peeling off the skin. When you try to peel off the skin and it comes off easily, that means it is ready. As you can see, the skin came off easily. So the peanut is ready. I'm gonna spread it out to cool down before peeling off the skin. I roasted the peanuts for about 20 minutes. Once the peanut cools down, I'm gonna remove the skin by rubbing off the skin with my hand. Then I'm gonna separate the peanut from the skin by blowing the skin out. Like I said earlier, I normally use this method when I want to make something with roasted peanuts, but feel free to store the peanut in an airtight container if you don't want to consume it immediately. I have some other videos on how to roast peanuts. In case you are interested, you can find them on my Facebook page and on my YouTube channel. Sometimes some of these peanuts are very stubborn, so you have to go in individually to remove the skin. Now that you know how to roast your peanuts in an empty pan, why don't you give this method a try? I promise you will not be disappointed. The peanuts are well roasted and they are crunchy and delicious. And don't forget to check out the other videos on different ways to fry peanuts at home on the stovetop. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.